What is going on, guys? Ronnie Rocksmith here with USA Digi, and in this video we're going to be reviewing a brand new product called Digi Funnel Labs. And we're going to get straight into it right after this. If this is your first time here, remember to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And remember to smash that notification bell so you can get notified when I post brand new videos just like this one. All right, so let's get into the product review. So the product is called Digi Funnel Lab. And I don't know what it is about products, but it always seems to me that they can be done in 3 easy steps, right? So step number 1, you log into the software and watch the newbie training to get started. Pretty simple so far, right? Step 2, select a product from the library, or you can create your own using the product creation tool. And step 3, add your payment details, publish your funnels, get instant viral traffic, leads, sales, and commissions. So let's talk about who created this software. So Glenn Kosky has been on the scene for a long time now, and you can check Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. He's topping the best product leaderboards for those. Okay, so I know Glenn Kosky. We talked to each other on Facebook, and before I knew him very well, I was noticing that he was pumping out products like every single month, and he still does, of course. But I was curious, and sometimes he does even more a month, and I thought he was solo, right? I thought he was a one-man show like most of us IMers. I'm a one-man solo. Well, I have a few people, but they don't really do anything product-based. I pretty much do all of that. So I messaged him on Facebook. I said, hey, Glenn, how are you doing it, man? How are you pumping out these products after products every single month like that? And he said, well, I got a team, bro. I got a team that I use. So it makes sense, right? He has one guy that does the websites, one guy that probably creates the products. I'm pretty sure he does some of his own training products. But for software, he has his own software developer. So that makes sense how he can do this so quickly, right? So yeah, that was just a question that I had myself. So if you were wondering, that's how he does it. So if that's something you want to do in your business, find the right people and develop your own team. I have my own team here at USA Digi, not a very big team. I just have 2 graphic designers and of course support, which is my wife. So 3 people, including me. Pretty much I do everything product-wise myself. So bonuses. Let's talk about my exclusive bonuses that I have for this offer. So if you pick up DigiFunnel Lab today using my link that you can find in the description under this video, or if you're watching this on my bonus page already, just use the button under this video. Okay, so if you pick it up, I'm going to give you all 20 of these PLR bonuses. Now, if you don't know what PLR is, it just stands for private label rights. So what you can do with this is stamp your name on them and call them your own. You can use these as lead magnets. You can use these to sell as products, and you can also put them inside of Digi Funnel Lab. So it's pretty cool. You're going to be able to use these, right? So let's take a closer look at each bonus pack. So bonus number 1, you're going to get 60-minute profits, affiliate networking, consulting wizardry, course ninja, and digital empire. Bonus number 2, you're going to get dynamite reports, email monetizer, flat belly made easy, group domination, influencer marketing. Bonus number 3, you're going to get lead focused business, leadership strategies, merch mastery, outsource to success, and passive profits. And bonus number 4, you're going to get profit builders, profit funnels, storytelling marketing, success mindset, and yoga. And yoga, I'm saying it again, yoga, and yoga power poses. So some of these can be in different niches, or you can bundle them together as a niche, however you want to do this. These are PLR rights, so you can do whatever you want. Just make sure that you read each license right for each product to see what you can and cannot do. Oh, and before I forget, I have 17 extra bonuses that I want to give you. Now, this is going to give you a total of 37 total bonuses that you're going to get from me. Now, the only thing you have to do to receive that extra 17 bonuses is pick up one of the OTOs on the upgrade side, right? It doesn't matter which one, Just pick one of them up. Then you're going to send me your receipt, and then I'm going to give you the details on where to get them. Okay? So stay tuned towards the end of this video because I'm going to be listing all of those 17 bonuses out for you when I talk about my 20 bonuses one last time. So let's head to the sales page now and check that out. Okay, so we're going to go over a few things on the sales page. Of course, I'm not going to read the whole thing to you, right? You can do that on your own leisure time. So it says ClickFunnels 100% done for you list building products and highly profitable sales funnels inside one single app. Okay, new software drives you automated profits with done for you profits and sales funnels and builds your list at the same time. No list needed, zero experience or tech skills required, 100% beginner friendly. Okay, so they have a sales video right here that you can check out. Make sure you watch that. So one thing I want to talk about in here is that you may be thinking, okay, so I don't need a list in here, but can I build my list with this? Yes, you can build your list using this because you're going to be doing like lead magnets. And then from the lead magnet, it's going to go to an actual product. So they have products in here for you to use. You just have to put it together, as well as you can put in your own products. And that's where my bonuses will come in handy as well. You'll have more products to add in here. So one thing I want to mention, there's no autoresponder built into the software that's going to be connected. You have to connect your own. So if you're using a Weber or GetResponse like what I use, that's what you'll be doing inside the product, right? Okay, so let's scroll down here. Okay, so in this section here, it's pretty much what I talked about in the beginning as far as 1, 2, 3 steps. So you're going to select, create, and monetize, right? So you're going to securely log into the DigiFunnel Lab cloud-based web app, right? So there's nothing to download, and follow the newbie-friendly training to get started. And that's very important, right? A lot of people who are kind of like intermediate, you know, they're not newbie, but they're not advanced. What they like to do is get in there and just start messing around with all kind of stuff. And then they get frustrated because they don't know what they're doing. So my best advice to you, no matter where you're at, if something's new, get in there and watch the training videos. Watch all of them first. That way you know exactly what to expect and how to do things, right? It's going to make you a lot more happier and the software easier to use. That makes sense? Okay, so create. So step 2, you want to select the products for your funnel from their library, or you can create your own products in another 60 seconds using their product creation tool. Again, here's where my bonuses is going to come in handy for you. You're going to have 20 extra products that you can add in here and use, right? Okay, so monetize for step 3. So you're going to add in your payment details, then you're going to publish your brand new funnel. Then you can get instant viral traffic, lead sales, and commissions. Okay, let's continue scrolling here. So here's some screenshots of some earnings. So again, guys, there's different niches in here that you can create, which is pretty cool. So you can, if you're doing like weight loss or something like that, I've included 2 bonuses, one as weight loss, one kind of exercise. So that'll help you in there as well if you want to do different types of niches. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit more. So we have some testimonials, some more screenshots of earnings. Okay, let's see, do we have any bonuses that we're giving away? Let's check. Usually at the bottom they have some bonuses. I like to go over that. I'm checking this sales page out with you guys for the first time, so I don't really know what's all on the page. Okay, so we have a demo video here. Okay, pretty cool. Want to check that out as well to see how things work inside. Okay, get money making bonuses valued at $9,997 for free when you get Digi Funnel Lab. Okay, cool. So this is what I want to talk about. A couple of bonuses here. So you're going to get a live training webinar. You're going to get access to our product and lead magnet vault. And you're getting a mystery box. And 30-day money back guarantee, of course. Okay, so we have 2 versions. Agency rights included with the Pro version. So let's see, we have DigiFunnel Labs Lite and DigiFunnel Labs Pro. $21.97 for the Lite version and $23.97 for the Pro version. Okay, so let's see what's extra. So for sure, the exclusive bonuses for the Pro members only, agency license included to create funnels for clients and customers. That's pretty cool. Large selection of templates, e-cover generator included, priority customer support from the USA, additional world-class traffic training, 100 times your earnings potential with Pro version, 0 monthly fees, launch special only. Okay, so we're going to talk about the price points now because I know that's very important to talk about. Frequently asked questions down here, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the price points now. So Glenn likes to do a pricing type of strategy, so I wanted to let you know what's going on and how it works. That way you can take advantage of the best possible price and you can know when it's going up, okay? So for the front end on Sunday, you get an early bird 1. Okay, this is from 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Pro version will be $21.97. Now, if you're watching this video right now, it's probably past that time because I uploaded this video at 9 p.m. on YouTube today, which is Sunday. So you're going to be getting the $23.97 price for the Pro version, which is early bird 2, as you can see here, 3 p.m. Eastern till midnight, if you buy in that range. Okay, so day 2 is going to be Monday. So day 2 on Monday, the Pro version is going to be at $25.97. Again, guys, this is just for the front end. Day 3 and 4, which is Tuesday and Wednesday, it's going to be $27.97. Day 5 and 6, Thursday and Friday, is going to be $29.97. Day 7, Saturday and Sunday, is going to be $32.97. And then it's going to be retail from Sunday at midnight. So Pro version, guys, is $37.97 on Sunday at midnight. I'm not sure if it's going to go up to $47, but it's going to be a reoccurring month-to-month subscription-based product after this time. And the reason I'm telling you this is because I want to make sure you can get this at the best possible price if you don't want to pay monthly fees, right? So it probably will be $37.97 on a monthly basis. It may go up, I'm not sure. I didn't ask for details on that. So let's go over the OTO1 now. So this is the Digi Funnel Lab and it's the unlimited version. It's going to be $97. Now I don't have the prices for the rest of the funnel, guys. So I'm just going to basically tell you what they are in this case. So OTO2 is done for you funnels. OTO3 is going to be automated traffic flow. So you're going to put your pixel, of course, on the page. A lot of marketers are doing this now. OTO4 is Digi Funnel Lab conversion boosting tools. OTO5 is bonus page builder. And OTO6 is, of course, the license rights so you can sell DigiFunnel Lab as your own, right? Okay, so we're gonna go over my 20 PLR bonuses one more time to let you know what they are, and then we're gonna talk about those extra 17 bonuses. So bonus number 1, you're gonna get 60-minute profits, affiliate networking, consulting wizardry, course ninja, and digital empire. Bonus number 2, you're gonna get dynamite reports, email monetizer, flat belly made easy, group domination, influencer marketing. Bonus number 3, you're going to get lead focus business, leadership strategies, merch mastery, outsource to success, and passive profits. And bonus number 4, you're going to get profit builders, profit funnels, storytelling marketing, success mindset, and yoga power poses. So that is my 20 bonuses again. Now let's talk about these 17 extra bonuses. Now remember, you only have to purchase one OTO to get these 17 extra bonuses. What's going to happen is once you check out, right, and Warrior Plus sends you your receipt, when you go to my bonus download page for your 20 original bonuses, you're going to see a link under those bonuses. Click that link, you're going to send me an email, show me your receipt from Warrior Plus, and then I'm going to email you back and give you instructions on how to claim those 17 extra bonuses. So I'm going to go ahead and list them right quick so you can know what they are. 300 CPA every day, 500 CPA every day, CPA coffee shop method, 200 cash hack, 2K CPA traffic jacker, 250 cash magnet, the commission glitch, 6-figure influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commissions, commission toolbox, pure profit payday, 100 CPA daily, commission profit hack, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, and the commission blueprint. So again, guys, just pick up one OTO on the funnel side, and then you're going to get these 17 extra bonuses. I always like to tell you guys where to find your bonuses. You just simply log into Warrior Plus. Next to your name, you'll see a drop-down tab. Click on that, find Purchase History, go to that page. In this case, you're going to be looking for DigiFunnel Labs. Click on that link, and then the page will open up. Look for the blue button. That's where you get your bonuses, okay? So that's going to wrap up this video review. I hope it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a great fit for your business. Thanks for your time and interest. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing. Oh! All the blood is rushing to my head. Hurry up, click another video.